So, good morning, guys. It has been a while, and it has been a month actually since I sent my car to the service center to fix something, to check my headlights. So today there's a few updates. I'm revisiting the service center again because if you've seen my video, the rear noise is still there, and I have actually managed to capture the rear noise, which now I can quite confirm that it comes from this side, the rear left hand side. So yeah, I'll show you the noise footage that I've captured here now. Okay, so I have also checked with my friends and those also some friends who are mechanics, and they have also similar experience before. Basically, they conclude that it's more or less should be absorber mount issue. So I'm gonna show the footage to the service advisor again, and hopefully this time they will look into the matter. And other than that, there's actually another problem. Let me show you. I haven't unlocked the car, but look at the fuel flap. I can just open it. So no matter how I lock the car, it will still open the fuel flap. Let me just demonstrate to you. So now I have unlocked the car. Okay, the car is unlocked. Of course, it can be opened. And now I'm locking the car. Still can open. So today I'm going to visit the service center again just to address the two issues, and also I have some updates on my headlights. I'll talk to you when I'm start driving. Okay, so guys, yeah, back to the headlight issues, and just a quick recap of what happened last month. If you haven't watched my video, anyway, I will just put the link of my first video in this video, or you can find it in the description box. So basically, my headlights, it has the LED ring, or the angel eye of the headlights. It has both sides have different colors. The driver's side is whitish, and the passenger side, or the left side, the headlight is, the ring is a bit slightly yellowish. So at first I thought it was a defect, and then I sent to the service center to check, and I found out that actually the one side of the headlight has been replaced, supposedly, I think because of an accident, because not just the headlight has been replaced, the front bumper has been replaced as well. But it has been done, it has been fixed by BMW, so it has a record. And thus the I'm not entitled for a warranty claim for the headlight because it was not a defect. It's part change, but resulted in you know, different colors of the LED ring. So yeah, it's I would say it's I have to bear part of the responsibility, because when I bought the car, I didn't actually check the headlights, and also I assume that everything is pristine condition. Okay, and so I found a little history about my car, so I take it as a lesson. And anyway, after my trip to the service center, I told the story to my friends, and they said I should talk to my sales advisor. So okay, just try my luck. I talked to my sales advisor, and I also drafted a so-called a letter to them. I said basically I told them that it's okay for me to get a car, a used car with accident history, but the repair job was not satisfying. It's not satisfying, and I hope that you guys can do something for me as a first time what do you call that, the BMW Premium Selections customer. I hope that I can have a good experience so that I can continue to patronize you. And so after a few weeks, my sales advisor called me back and told me that yes, the company has agreed to replace the headlights for me. So today I'm supposed to also tell the service center about this, that the stock should have arrived, and they can replace it for me also, together with all the other problems. But I would expect the car, I have to leave the car for I don't know how many days at the workshop. Damn, you are stupid. The headlight stocks are there, and I get to change it, hopefully, finger crossed. So I'll see you guys later at the service center. So here we are again at the Hotel Bavaria Kuala Lumpur at Jalan Tun Razak. Okay, just a quick update. I've spoken to the sales advisor, and good news is my headlight, the stock is here, and they will replace for me today. But I was told that it was a complicated process, and it will take easily 1 day. So they will only look into my problems like the rear noise and also the fuel flap if they have extra time today. Otherwise they will take, I'm not sure, another few more days to check. Well, then I'm now officially carless for now. So happened that the Evo Enduro Malaysia Phuket drive is happening next to the service center. Just take a look at the cars.